I hear footsteps.
Yep.
Oh, from the bridge, from the bridge.
Okay, let me get up on the hill then. I think I'm shot. I'm being shot. Yeah, we gotta shoot him now because we got 5 seconds.
They're moving.
Gas is closing in.
I'm pushing up. Still on the bridge.
Move to the safe zone.
Cracked him.
Got the guy on top.
Objective contact.
Right between the eyes.
Where's the other guy? Do you
On the
run?
ground, straight ahead. There.
Oh, nice. I saw his head blow up.
Deployable buy stations ready. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Jailbreak is kicking off.
Oh my god, a jailbreak? Are you kidding me?
That's unfortunate. Dude's behind you. This building. Dude coming for the buy. He's on the buy.
Gas is closing
Ooh,
in.
there's another guy out there.
Yeah, I'm going for him.
Head to the safe zone.
Bro, what?
Jailbreak is active. Watch the skies.
Alright, I'm on a side that feels pretty open unless I get dropped on, which I might.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh my god, I ran out of ammo and beat down a guy.
There you go, baby.
Getting shot from
Fuck
behind.
you. There's guys on that side as well.
Yep.
Taking effective fire.
The other guy's right here, right here.
Oh my god. No.